Today I'm going to talk about monthly turns. Monthly turns. You can turn a quarter, a half, also a full turn with a monthly turn. So I'm going to show the steps without turning first. So if I'm going to do a monthly without turning, put it on turn later. It's touch out, together, touch out, together. Feet and together. And that are pointed in between, so one more time, it's point, together, point, together. So, if I'm going to turn a quarter, do a quarter monthly turn to my right, I start at that point. When I put the feet together, I turn a quarter, change weight in the middle, turn left out, point left out, sorry, together. One more time, so it's point, quarter turn, point, together. The counting with a quarter monthly turn is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the turn happens on the second count. One more time, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, if I do the quarter turn to my left, then I'll start with my left, point left to my left, point, turn a quarter, push right out, together. The weight ends then on my right. Okay, if I'm going to do the same with a half turn. So it's point, I turn a half, feet together, point, together. I'll still turn on the second count. Yeah, one more time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do a full spin, yeah. Then it's 1, spin, 2, 3, 4. You still, the turning action happens on the second count. It doesn't matter how, if you turn a quarter, turn a half, full turn, it happens on the second count. Yeah. The thing is, when you're turning a quarter, most you can do without what we call a prep. But if you turn a half, and especially a full turn, it's a very smart thing to do a prep. The point of the prep, when I touch my right, I twist my upper body to my left. I try to hold my hips back, because if they follow, I sort of ruin the prep. So I try to hold my hips back. I turn my upper body, and then I send it in the direction I want to spin. And do a half turn, point, together. So then one more time, so I do a prep, my hips are in place. And I spin, touch, together. So the most important thing with the prep is to keep your hips back. As I said, if you point out and you turn your upper body, but the hips follow, you sort of ruin the whole thing. Then you don't have any tension in your body. So yeah. So just wanted to sum up the monthly turns. So it's a half turn. So it's point, turn a half, and get together, touch, together. If I turn on left, so it's point, spin, touch, together. Good luck.